It's 5 o'clock a.m. in County.
We're on our way to North Carolina. So, status update. It is 7:45. So,
Here we are.
it is 8:42. So, it is 9:42. So, it is 10:43. So, we're here, and there's the van.
It's not by a river.
And it's not by a river. So there's Damien.
But I mean, it'll look good once it's done.
Gentleman selling the van.
If I'd have known, I would have just left it like it was.
The van. It's already got the ice cream going. The ice cream theme going. Oh God, Damien, what are you getting yourself into?
Get us into.
Right? The bright side has got nice wheels. It's got the front flares on. A wang.
For aerodynamics.
For aerodynamics.
Morning that we're about to drive 6 hours home.
Hey, Damien.
It's rough, but pain will hide a lot.
My mama taught me well, stay quiet when you ain't got nothing to say.
You hate it that much?
Yep. Dude, I mean, it's $5 grand for a wreck.
Dude, $5 won't get you
dude,
that van without.
What's his name, Danny?
Danny?
Danny looks like a 70s porn star.
He does.
So, he's got that going for him.
$5 grand won't get you the van without the fiberglass on it, without the fiberglass parts. He's got the wheels, the correct taillights. You can't find those taillights anymore.
Okay.
The fiberglass kit on the back, the fiberglass kit over the windshield, and the correct grill, which the correct grill is hard to find too.
It's hot as balls back here.
I know, I just turned it down. So, I mean, yeah, it looks like, you know, what it is, but dude, you gotta understand, man, that is a hard van to find.
Okay. If you say so, Damien.
All right, Emilio, start looking. Dude, I'm just telling you already. Don't even give me crap. I knew this was going to be the case.
Oh, go ahead, Damien. Tell me what you just told me.
I just said it's going to be a shit show on the way home. It's loud. It pulls to the left.
Oh my God, we're gonna die.
It's going to be fun.
We are going to die.
I don't think we're going to die, but it's going to be interesting. Where'd he go? That's
now you know, if I stop posting videos, I died on the way back to Delaware. Yeah. Oh, look, a torque converter. Put that back there.
Oh yeah, you know what? He's dead to me. He's got nothing for me.
Oh, David.
You're going to want to wait until you get the spoiler for your mount dams. You get them lined up.
Round 2.
This thing starts nice though.
150 something miles.
Nice. Oh, he's gonna turn around?
Yeah, because he wants the flat surface for the brakes.
Oh, okay.
I see the dent that you're talking about in the back.
See it? See that?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay. Yep, that tire didn't lock at all. This one slid, that one didn't.
It locked up.
Did it? Like at the end, maybe. Because that didn't slide. That one did.
We're about to die testing out the brakes to try to figure out why they're pulling so bad.
Oh, God. All right, so where are we going out here?
When you go up here, he said go. When you get up to the road, we're going to want to go straight to the road. So go parallel. Because you said you won't be able to see down this side over here.
All right, well, you look at the window.
Oh, Christ. All right, go ahead.
So go?
Go. That's all you need. Go ahead, hit it.
Oh my God, Jesus. Pulls right and left. Pulls right, then left.
So is that shocks? What is it? This is gonna be safe.
Hold on, get video of this. Ready? What the
I don't know, dude.
What the is this?
Let's go bleed it.
Oh God, what do I turn around?
I don't know. I just pulled into the driveway.
Got a car coming behind me.
Blinker works.
Oh God.
Might be the only thing that works.
Well, it turns on a dime.
Oh my God.
Oh, dude, we're dead.
We're dead.
We're dead. Oh, Jesus Christ.
The last guy's head went through that windshield. That's why it's cracked. Look, he's already enjoying it. He hates it, but he's already enjoying it.
Dude, I just don't want to die. Look at that.
I see. I don't know.
This guy recording us?
He thinks we stole it from Danny, I bet. Learning curve.
Yeah, right. Woo! Into it. It's autopilot.
Yeah, exactly.
Now it can only get it to the right.
Trying to take itself out.
Oh, God. So here's where it gets tricky. We're gonna do that. There we go. Dude, I'm a pro at this.
Yep. Get it with two, I'll just run it with two at this point. Because we are going to have to run, because this is going to take us forever to get out at this point.
Bam! Alright. Side one done.
And you just have to cut it so we can open the door.
Yeah, well, that's after the fact. You don't worry about that. Why, Damien?
If my 35 Ford got hit.
So, we're getting ready to roll out. And, yeah, this is the result.
I'm in danger.
How much I hate you right now.
Perfect.
Jesus Christ. I'm gonna put my glasses on just to hide the fear. Oh shit.
So what exactly are we experiencing here?
So every time you hit the brakes in this thing, it does a Scandinavian flick on its own. If I let go of the wheel, we'll go straight into that barrier like that. It literally makes a 90-degree turn to the left. We tried to fix it, but we were not able to fix it.
And we're currently trying to keep up with Speed Racer in the rental car, which he cares nothing about. And in front of him is the southern gentleman who sold us the death van.
The death van. Oh, Jesus.
Of course, somebody in the van was like, I want nothing to do with it. And then when it came time to drive, he's like, no, driving.
I trust myself with my own life, nobody else. Alright? Oh, whoa! Like, what the fuck?
Struggle is real.
What is this?
It'll be
My
ours.
own funeral.
We're driving our own hearse.
I don't know if you remember from earlier where Damien was going like, oh yeah, track's totally straight. I'm over here shaking my teeth out. All my fillings are coming out. And then these two flying over there. Barely going 55. Feel like I'm going 100. You know what? Next time I'm gonna turn left by just pressing the brake. Damien, the track's totally straight. I don't have to fix the wheel whatsoever. Alright, what? It's got a death wobble at 60.